In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. First, launch Adobe Acrobat Pro on your device. If you're using the Reader version, note that full text editing is a pro feature, so make sure you have Acrobat Pro open before you begin. Give the app a moment to load, especially if you haven't opened it recently. Next, open the PDF you want to edit. You can drag the file onto the Acrobat window or go to File at the top and choose Open to browse to your document. Once it's open, glance over the pages so you know where you plan to make changes. Now head to the global bar and click All Tools. From the list of options, select Edit a PDF. This switches Acrobat into its dedicated editing mode. As soon as you do that, you'll see bounding boxes appear around all the text that Acrobat recognizes as editable. Those boxes are your cue that the text can be changed. If your PDF is scanned or image-based, Acrobat may prompt you to recognize text first, which helps convert the image into editable characters. Click directly inside the text box where you want to make updates. You'll see a text cursor appear. From here, treat it like a standard document editor. You can type new words, fix typos, delete content you no longer need, or highlight text to replace it quickly. If you make a mistake, use Undo with Command-Z on Mac or Control-Z on Windows. Zooming in can also help with precise edits, especially in dense paragraphs or small captions. To refine the look of your text, use the Format panel on the right side. This is where you can adjust font style and size to match the rest of your document, change the font color for emphasis or branding, and set alignment to left, center, right, or justified for a clean layout. You can also tweak line spacing to improve readability and, when needed, apply bulleted lists to organize information clearly. If the text shifts unexpectedly, try selecting the entire text box before applying formatting so changes apply consistently. Keeping your edits visually consistent with the surrounding content will make the final PDF feel polished and professional. When you're satisfied, don't forget to save. Click the Save icon or go to File and choose Save. If you want to keep the original unchanged, use Save As to create a new copy with your edits. That's it. With these steps, you can confidently edit text in any PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro and produce clean, professional results.